Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Welcome to the order of operations, PEMDAS, with brackets. Understanding the order of operations is essential for solving mathematical expressions accurately. The acronym PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. In this context, brackets refers to square brackets, which are used to group terms just like parentheses. This structured approach ensures that expressions are evaluated in the correct order, leading to consistent and correct results. Let's go through a problem that incorporates both brackets and parentheses. Example problem: 4 plus 3 times 2 plus 6 minus 1 minus 5. Step 1. Solve inside the parentheses. Start by solving the expression inside the innermost parentheses first. In this case, 6 minus 1 equals 5. Step 1 continued. Now replace the parentheses with the result. In this case, the 5 now goes inside the brackets. So we now have 4 plus 3 times 2 plus 5 minus 5. Step 2. Solve inside the brackets. Next, solve the expression inside the brackets. 4 plus 3 times 2 plus 5 minus 5. So inside the brackets we have 2 plus 5 equals 7. Step 2 continued. We're still solving inside the brackets. Now the expression looks like this. 4 plus 3 times 7 minus 5. Look at everything that's highlighted in red. 2, we bring down. Plus, we bring down. 6 minus 1 equals 5. So the brackets have 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7, which is why our updated expression reads as 4 plus 3 times 7 minus 5. Step 3. Perform multiplication. Now perform any multiplication or division from left to right. In this case, we have multiplication, no division. So we have 4 plus 3 times 7 as a result of 2 plus 5 minus 5. So we multiply 3 times 7 equals 21. Step 3 continued. We're still performing multiplication, and now we're going to update the expression. Again, looking at everything in red, the updated expression result is 4 plus 21 minus 5 because 2 plus 5 equals 7. And 4 plus 3 times 7 minus 5 equals 3 times 7 equals 21. because we're performing multiplication. In this case, which is 3 times 7 equals 21. So now we have updated our expression to read 4 plus 21 minus 5. Step 4, addition and subtraction. Finally, handle the addition and subtraction from left to right. First add. 4 plus 21 equals 25. Then subtract. 25 minus 5 equals 20. Final solution. The final answer to the expression 4 plus 3 times 2 plus 6 minus 1 minus 5 is, parentheses first, 6 minus 1 equals 5. Updated expression reads as 4 plus 3 times 2 plus 5 minus 5. Brackets next. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Expression now reads as 4 plus 3 times 7 minus 5. Multiplication next. 3 times 7 equals 21. Expression updated and reads as 4 plus 21 minus 5. Addition next. 4 plus 21 equals 25. And finally subtraction. 25 minus 5 equals 20. In summary, recap of steps. 1. Solve the expression inside the innermost parentheses first. 2. Solve the expression inside the brackets next. 3. Perform multiplication and division from left to right. 4. Handle addition and subtraction from left to right. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can confidently solve expressions that involve PEMDAS, brackets, and parentheses. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.